Hello everyone, I am going to make a new video series on sustainability. Hearing this word all around, what it is all about, what is the background, why everyone is focusing so much on sustainability nowadays. Does sustainability has only its dictionary meaning? In corporate world and in your surroundings, it also has a wide meaning. We will connect all the dots and understand what sustainability is. And as a living being on earth, what our roles are. Subscribe this channel if you are looking for your career growth or just better understanding on sustainability. Don't know too much in detail, but heard of these terms?
Sustainability, Sustainable Development Goals, 3Rs, 4Rs, 5Rs, GHG emissions, carbon neutral, carbon negative, corporate sustainability goals, plastic neutral, plastic positive, carbon footprint, green footprint, circular economy, segregation and disposal of wastes, CSR, ESG, EPR, and much more. Let's make a difference together and grow your career in sustainability. We will be coming with the new videos very shortly. Join this channel, like, share, and subscribe.